Hello friends, in this video we are going to do exercise 2.2 of exponents and powers. The book is ML Agarwal. In this we are going to write the numbers in standard form or in usual form. As you can see, express the following number in standard form. अब standard form कौन सी होती है जिसमें हम नंबर को लिखते हैं 10 की पावर्स की फॉर्म में. Like we will write it as 0 to 9 कोई भी नंबर होगा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 रेज टू पावर समथिंग, कोई नंबर हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे. फाइन. सो लेट्स सी इट. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्सप्रेस द फॉलोइंग इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. अब इसमें हम क्या लिखेंगे? सबसे पहले चेक आउट व्हाट नंबर इज देयर. लाइक हियर द नंबर इज 85. सो it will be any number between 0 to 9. So it will be 8.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus, अब ये माइनस कितना होगा? मूव द डेसिमल. सो इट विल बी 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. When the decimal is moved from here to this place, we have jumped 12 places. So it will be 12 here. So 8.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 12 minus 12. Fine. Similarly, we can write here also. So it will be 9.42 multiplied by 10 raised to power. Now this you will have to check. So let's see how many jumps will make. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. So 13, that means it will be minus 13 here. Fine. Now let's see the next one. So it is, as you can see, 6.02. Simply 6.02 multiplied by, so यहाँ से हमने डेसिमल लगाया at this place. Fine. So let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. So it will be 10 raised to power 15. And here what is the number? 837. So it will be 8.37 multiplied by, so 1, so it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So it will be 10 raised to power minus 9. Count the numbers and write down it in the power of 10. Fine. So this was your first question. Now second question, express the following number in usual form. Usual form मतलब जो ये ऊपर first question में दी हुई थी. This is your standard form. So it is like, let's see the first one. So it is 3.02 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6. Fine. So it will be somewhere, let's see. So it is 302. Fine. So decimal is here. Decimal is here now. So we have to move it to 6 places. So 1 place, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Fine. So इस place पे तो 3 है, 2, 3 and 0 and 0, and here will be decimal. You can check again. minus 6 था, यहाँ decimal था हमारा question में. Fine. So it will be 1 place, 2 place, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So how many zeros we have put? It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 zeros, then 3, 0, 2. That will be your answer for first one. Fine. Now let's see the second one. In second one you have 10 raised to power 11. Fine. So it is 1.007. So this decimal will have to move 11 places. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So you can put zeros here. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. Fine. So what will be your answer? You are going to remove this decimal from here. Fine. This decimal will be removed from here. So that will be your answer. So it will be 1007. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fine. That's your answer here in this case. Fine. Now is third part. In third part also, what we will do? First we will write the number 5.375. Now this decimal will move in the right, fine, because it's positive power of 10. So how many places? 14 places. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Fill these places with zeros. 0, 0, fine. And you can remove this decimal from here because we have moved this decimal. So that's going to be your answer here in this case. Fine. So final answer will be your 5375 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 zeros. Fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Question number fourth part. So it is 7.579. Now as you can see, the power is minus 14, so we'll have to move in the left direction. This decimal will move in the left. And how many places? 14 places. Okay, so we have 7 and then there will be 13 zeros. ठीक है ना, one place is this, then we have other ones will be zeros. Fine. So let's see, it will be 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. ठीक है ना, so 12, then you have 13, 14 में ये move होगा 5, 7, 9. So you have 13 zeros here in this case. Now is third question. In third question, express the numbers appearing in the statement in standard form. We have to write them in standard form. So the first one will be 1.673 multiplied by 10 raised to power up. 10, ये जो नंबर था इसको हमने लिखा because in standard form we write the number in the form of 0 to 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power something. So इसमें नंबर था 1673, तो it will be 1.673 multiplied by 10 raised to power something. हमें की फॉर्म में हमें इसको लिखना है. Fine. So अब count करो zeros. How many zeros are there? These are all these zeros. If we count them, they are 23. 23 zeros are there. Plus एक ये one place से भी move हुआ है 1. To 23 zeros plus 1 place for 1. So it will be minus 24. Minus 24 will be the answer here in this case. Fine. Next is thickness of a piece of paper is 0.0016. So it will be in after this you can write the gram. So it will be 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 10 raised to power minus 3 centimeter. That will be your answer. Next is diameter of a computer chip will be 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it will be 10 raised to power minus 6, 6 है 5 zeros and 3 meter. Don't forget to write the unit. Unit हमेशा लिखनी है. So this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Fine. So there are 11 zeros here. Fine. So it will be 22 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 11. लेकिन हमारा जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म होती है उसमें हम क्या लिखते हैं 0 से 9 के बीच का नंबर. सो दैट मीन्स इसको हमें क्या लिखना पड़ेगा 2.2. एक डेसिमल बीच में आएगा. फाइन. सो इट विल बी 2.2. वी विल राइट इट अगेन. सो इट विल बी 2.2. फाइन. 2.2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय, अब एक इसमें से 10 कम हो जाएगा, minus 10 meter. Fine. Then the next question, how many zeros in this we have? Let's see. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, then 12, 14, 16, okay, 20. Okay, we have 20 zeros these. Fine. So it will be, अब इसका आंसर क्या होगा 3.34 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 रेज टू पावर 20. तो जीरोस है और जीरो के बाद एक प्लेस यहाँ भी, ये वाला भी मूव करना है. ठीक है ना. सो 20 प्लस 1 21. सो माइनस 21 and it will be in tons. minus 21 tons में हमारा ये आंसर आएगा. Part, human body has 1 trillion cells which vary in shapes. So 1 trillion cells. 1 trillion is 10 raised to power 12. ठीक है ना. 10 raised to power 12 जो है ट्रिलियन होते हैं. So it will be 10 raised to power 12 cells. Then the distance from earth to sun is this much. So it will be 1.49 multiplied by 10 raised to power कितना हो जाएगा. How many zeros? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So it will be 11. 10 raised to power 11. Just count the numbers after the decimal, you will get it. Meter. Now this is 3 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 meter per second. Then next one, it will be 5.97 multiplied by 10 raised to power how many? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 3, what will be 21 plus 3? 24. So it will be 24 kilogram. Fine. Next one, express 3 years in seconds. Fine. 3 years को हम seconds में हमें convert करना है. So 3 years कितने seconds होंगे वो हमें लिखना है. So we will see that 3 years, 3 multiplied by 365 days, 365 days and in one day we have 24 hours. ठीक है ना. एक दिन में जो हमारे पास होते हैं वो होते हैं 24 hours and in 1 hour we have 60 minutes and in 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So we'll have to multiply this all of them. So let's see what will come. So if we multiply all of them, we will get 9, 4, 6, 08000. Fine. 946080000 we will get after their multiplication, and if we write it in standard form, it will be 9.4608 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3, 6 and 7. So it will be 10 raised to power 7 second. Fine. Now next is express 7 hectares. This one, 11th one we are taking now. Express 7 hectares in centimeter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10 raised to power 8 centimeter square होता है. So what will be 7 hectare? 7 hectare will be 7 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8 centimeter square. Fine, we can write it as 7.0. So that is your 11th one. Then you have the last question. This is 3 billion and 720 million kilograms of sugar. अब इसको आप कैसे लिखोगे? Fine. So let's write it. अब सबसे पहले if we write it in ones tens form, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, then you have 10,000, 10,000 के बाद 100,000, ठीक है, then million, 10 million, 100 million, ठीक है ना, यही होता है आपके पास 100 million के बाद then you have billion. Fine. So we have these three places for million, these are for thousand, and these are for ones place. So what we have 720 million. So 720 million and 3 billion. So in this we have 3 billion. Fine. So 700, and this is your question number 12. So 3 billion. Then rest will be zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Fine. So you have 720. This is 720 million, 3 billion and that's 0. Now you will have to write it in standard form. So it will be how many zeros? Let's put the commas, comma, comma and comma. So it will be 3.72 multiplied by 10 raised to power 3, 6 and 9. So 10 raised to power 9 kg. Okay, now is question number 4. Compare the following. Size of the plant cell to thickness of piece of paper. So as you can see, the size of plant cell is this and thickness of piece of paper is this. So we are going to compare them in first part. So it will be 0.0000125 divided by what? 0.0016. अब ये मीटर में है, so if we convert it in centimeter, we will have to multiply it with 100. Fine. So how we can write it? इसको हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? So it will be, अब ये जो डेसिमल है इसको हम कैसे लिखेंगे? It will be 1.275 multiplied by 10 raised to power. अब ये 10 की पावर कितनी हो जाएगा? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 raised to power minus 5. Fine. And multiplied by 100 divided by, अब इसको भी हम स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिख देते हैं. So let's write it in standard form. So it will be 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus, it will be 3. फाइन. अब इतना हो गया हमारा. इसके बाद देखते हैं, अब ये देखो इसमें से इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 1.2 over 1.275 over 1.6 multiplied by अब 10 raised to power -5, this is 10 raised to power 2, so ये प्लस हो जाएगा और ये नीचे है तो इट विल बी -3। फाइन, जैसे हमने एक्सपोनेंट में किया था। तो अब ये क्या होगा हमारे पास, इसको अगर हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो क्या आएगा हमारे पास, सो इट विल बी, अब इसको हम अप्रोक्सीमेटली 1.27 को, क्योंकि हमें अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू चाहिए तो हम इसको 1.2 लिख देते हैं। कंपेयर करना है, एग्जैक्ट नहीं, अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू चाहिए, क्योंकि फिर ये हम इसको 1.6 से कैंसिल आउट कर पाएंगे, इसलिए हमने 1.2 लिया है। एंड इट विल बी, ये प्लस हो जाएगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस, सो 3 + 2 = 5, so it will be 5 - 5 10 raised to power 0। इसको 1.2 लिखा है हमने क्योंकि अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू चाहिए हमें, ताकि हम इसको काट सके। सो 4 3 जा 12, 4 4 जा 16। फाइन, सो मेरे पास क्या वैल्यू आई, 3/4। so they have asked the ratio of the size of the plant is, ये 2 की जगह 2, ये 2 की जगह हमारे पास आ जाएगा इक्वल टू 3/4 of size of the paper। that will be your answer for this question। fine, so 3/4 आया था हमारा। fine, 3/4 आया है, so your answer will be size of the plant is equal to 3/4 of thickness of the paper। 3/4 इसमें हमारा आंसर आया है। now is second part of it। second part क्या है हमारा, size of the plant cell to the diameter of wire। let's do it। so size of the plant cell, ये first one लेना है हमने। size of the plant cell हमने क्या लिया था, 1.275, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में हमने ये लिया था, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 raised to power -5। फाइन, और दूसरा हमारे पास क्या है चिप का, सो हाउ मेनी जीरोस, 3 + 2 5, 6 प्लेस हो जाएगा, सो इट विल बी 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 raised to power -6। फाइन, सो इसको मैं अप्रोक्सीमेटली इसको क्या लिख सकती हूँ, फाइन 1.2 जैसे हमने पहले लिया था, बिकॉज तभी वो 3 पे कैंसिल आउट हो पाएगा, मल्टीप्लाइड बाय इट विल बी 10 raised to power -5, और ये ऊपर जाके प्लस हो जाएगा +6। फाइन, सो इट विल बी 4, so it will be 0.4, 6 - 5 is 10, so it will be 10 which is 4। so हमारा आंसर क्या आया यहाँ पर, 4। so इसकी कंपैरिजन क्या होगी, साइज ऑफ द प्लांट सेल, अब इसमें हम क्या लिखेंगे, साइज ऑफ द प्लांट सेल, आंसर हमारा हो जाएगा साइज ऑफ द प्लांट सेल, इसकी जगह हम लिखेंगे इक्वल टू, so our answer will be size of the plant cell is 4 times, ये 4 आया हमारा, dia of the wire on the computer chip। fine, so that's your second part। now is third part, dia of the thickness of the piece of paper। what is the thickness of piece of paper, it is 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power -3। fine, then to the dia of the wire of the chip, dia of wire of chip क्या आया था हमारा, 3 multiplied by, this is 3 and 3 6, 10 raised to power -6। fine, so this is thickness of piece of paper ये है, and diameter of wire is ये है। fine, अब इसको आप solve करोगे, so what we will get be 1.6/3 multiplied by 10 raised to power -3 plus 6 हो जाएगा, so it will be, अब ये दोनों के जो हमारा डायमीटर ऑफ द कंप्यूटर चिप था वो है आपका मीटर में, तो हमें इसको सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, सो इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, सो ये ऊपर इसको हम लिख सकते हैं -2, बिकॉज 100 इज 10 स्क्वायर, तो ये ऊपर जाके -2 हो जाएगा, सो इट विल बी 1.6/3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 raised to power -5 plus 6, which is 1.6/3 multiplied by 10। fine, then इट विल बी, क्या आ जाएगा इससे हमारे पास 16 अपॉन 3 विच इज 5 अप्रोक्सीमेटली, ठीक है ना, 3 5 जा 15, सो अप्रोक्सीमेटली ये क्या होता है 5. फाइन. सो थिकनेस ऑफ पेपर इज 5 times diameter of wire of on the computer chip. So इसके कितना हो गया ये 5 times. That is your question number 4. Now is question number 5. The number of red blood cells per cubic millimeter of blood is approximately 5.5 million. 5, so इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 5.5 क्या हो जाएगा 0 0 0 0 and 0. This is million, 100,000. This is 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. So 5.5 है 5 million, 5 बाकी जब 0 हो जाएगा, so इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 5.5 multiplied by 1 2 3 4 5 6 10 raised to power 6. फाइन, इतना हम इसको लिख सकते हैं. नाउ व्हाट इज आवर क्वेश्चन? इफ द एवरेज बॉडी कंटेन्स 5 लीटर ऑफ ब्लड, व्हाट इज द टोटल रेड सेल्स इन द बॉडी? अब 5 लीटर ब्लड है, 5 लीटर ब्लड है, एंड इन 1 लीटर वी हैव कितना, दिस मच ऑफ mm³ 1 लीटर होता है 10 raised to power, ये हो जाएगा 5. एंड दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इट. दिस 5 लीटर, इस 5 लीटर को हमने कन्वर्ट कर दिया. दिस 5 लीटर इज इक्वल टू 5 इंटू 10 टू रेज टू पावर 10 रेज टू पावर 5 mm³. रेड सेल्स आरबीसी कितना हो जाएगा हमारे पास? अब हमारे पास देखो दिया हुआ है पर क्यूबिक mm, 1 मीटर क्यूब में होता है 5.5 इंटू 10 रेज टू पावर 6, और हमें किस में निकालना है इसमें 5 इंटू 5 लीटर ऑफ ब्लड में. सो 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 रेज टू पावर 5. सो कितना आ जाएगा 5 5 जा 25 टू 5 5 जा 25 27, ठीक है ना. डेसिमल विल बी हेयर मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 10 raised to power 6 plus 5 11, so it will be 2.75 multiplied by 10 raised to power, एक और बढ़ जाएगा डेसिमल यहाँ मूव किया है तो 12. फाइन, दैट इज इन mm³. फाइन, दैट विल बी योर आंसर. फाइन, so question number 6 now. Mass of Mars is 6.42 multiplied by 10 raised to power 29 kg. Mass of Sun is 1.99 multiplied by 10 raised to power 30 kg, और इसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं 19.9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 29 kg. So total mass क्या हो जाएगा addition of these two, so it will be 6.42 multiplied by 10 to raise power 29 plus 19.9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 29. So 10 raised to power 29 हम कॉमन लेंगे, so it will be 6.42 plus 19.9, दोनों में से ये निकल गया. फाइन, if we add 6.42 and 19.9 we will get 26.32 multiplied by 10 to raise power 29, which will be 2.632 multiplied by, ये डेसिमल वन प्लेस मूव हो गया हमारा, so it will be 10 to raise power 30 kg. Now is question number 7. The particular star is at a distance of, so in this they have given you the distance Distance is 8.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power 13 kilometer. Fine. And speed of the light with which it is traveling is 10 to raise power 8 meter per second. So this here it is in meter, and above we have in kilometer. So we'll have to convert it in meter. So 1 meter is equal to 1000 meter. So we are going to multiply it with 1000. So what we will get, 8.1 multiplied by 10 raised to power 16. 13 plus 3 16 हो जाएगा. That is in meter. Now we'll have to find out the time it takes to reach. So you know that speed is equal to distance over time. Then it will give us time is equal to distance over speed. So distance क्या है, 8.1 multiplied by 10 to raise power 16 and speed is 3 multiplied by 10 raise to power 8. So इसको कट करेंगे, 3 2 just 6, 3 7 जा 2.7 और ये हो जाएगा 2.7 multiplied by 10 raised to power 16 minus 8 is 8, that much of seconds. That's our answer here.